In this video I'm going to show you how to lay out your pieces for your box ready for laser cutting. So what we need to do is go File, New, and we're going to scroll down into the Drawing section. Okay, so make sure that you're still in the metric folder, and we're going to select the file that is called ANSI millimeter.idw. So that's the one that I've highlighted on my screen. So I'm going to open that file up. And once that opens, you'll notice that there's a border around the edge of the page and there's what we call a title block in the corner. We need to get rid of all of those lines because any lines on this page will be cut by the laser cutter. So we would have all of these little cuts in the side of our plastic sheet. So in order to remove them, we head over to the browser, so over here, and you can see that there's default border and ANSI large. We need to delete both of those just by clicking on it, right-clicking, and then selecting delete from the menu. So right click and delete. The next thing we need to do is change the sheet size. At the moment this is set to size D, which is huge. We want to set ours to A3. So I'm just going to right click on sheet 1 over here, head down to edit sheet, and then I'm going to change the size to A3 and press OK. Alright, now that I've got the right page size and I've deleted all of the extra lines, I'm going to put in each view or each part that I need to be cut. So I'm going to head over to Base, and I just need to search in my folder for my files. So I'm just going to head to where I've saved them. Okay, so I need one base, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to make sure the scale is 1:1. If it's not, you just need to delete that and type in 1. Okay. The other thing I need to make sure of is that I'm looking at it the right way around. If your view came in like this and it was showing the side view, you just need to rotate around your orientation cube until you've got the flat front-on view. And then once you've got that, press OK. Then we just need to arrange this on the page so that when we actually cut each view out, we're not wasting material. So I'm going to move this. So as I hover over it, you can see the red dotted line appear around the outside of the view. I'm just going to click and drag and move it close to the top left-hand corner. Okay, so I've got my base in there. Now I'm going to go back to base. I'm going to go into my file, and I need my front back piece. So that's the right scale, it's the right view. I'm going to press OK, and I'm just going to drag that very close. So I don't want the lines touching, but I want them to be very close to each other. And I actually need 2 of these views, so I'm going to go back into my base and place another one of those in. And just arrange it on the page there. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into my folder and have a look at what else I need. I need 1 of the lid pieces. Okay, that's the right view and the right scale. And then the last piece I need are my sides, and I need 2 of those. So I'm just going to place the first one in, arrange it, and then go for the second one. So sides again. Okay, now that all of my views are in and I've laid them out so that they're all sitting fairly close to each other, I could potentially move this one up a bit just to close some of those gaps. But that's looking pretty good where they are now. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is go File, Export, PDF, and then I just need to make sure I'm saving it in my folder, and I'm just going to label it Box and save. Once you've saved that PDF, so if I just go into my folder and I'll just open it up, so you can see that that's my PDF there of my box parts. You just need to email me that PDF file so that then I can send it to the laser cutter. And that's all you need to do for that step.